Let me ask you this. Have you ever had $100 in your pocket and wondered how to turn it into $1,000, $10,000, or even $100,000? Unfortunately, this isn't something they teach in school. And honestly, wouldn't it have been amazing if they did? Because of this gap in knowledge, a lot of beginners find investing intimidating. But don't worry. Today, I'm here to make the process simple. Investing is what helped me become a multimillionaire. And do you know what I started with? That's right, just $100. Actually, it might have even been less than that. Now, I'm not saying becoming wealthy is easy, but by taking smart, calculated risks, you can grow your wealth over time. Let's dive in. I get it. Everyone has a different level of risk tolerance. That's why today, I'm going to show you how to invest for beginners with just $100. As we go through the video, the level of risk will gradually increase. But remember, as the risk goes up, so does the potential reward. And here's the best part. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'll personally invest $100 into each of these options, so you can see exactly how it's done. In fact, I'm just about to invest in something I never thought I'd actually try. Here goes. When people ask me how they should invest $100, my usual advice is start by investing in yourself. This could mean buying books, taking courses, or improving your skills. But let's assume you've already done that. Now we're going to dive into specific places where you can put your money to work. I'm a businessman, not a financial advisor. These are strategies I've used over the years that have worked for me. And don't worry, this isn't one of those videos where I try to sell you something at the end. So let's get started. Just a quick reminder, if you enjoy this video, smash that like button. It really helps more people discover this content. And if you're on a mission to grow your wealth, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. The first investment we're talking about today is a high-interest savings account. On the risk scale, this scores a 1 out of 10, the lowest possible risk you can take. Now I get it. It's hard to find savings accounts that pay significant interest these days, but that's not the main reason it's on this list. Wait, if you want to continue this video, comment part 2. I will bring the part 2 of this video. And to get updates, subscribe now.